These are a few of the things that I came up with to utilize the plier joint. This is one piece of wood and you carve the joint out so the pliers will work. The first one I did was a pelican, and you'll notice that the joint is the same as the pliers, except I just made him a pelican. The second one was a hawk, and I designed him around the same joint. This one is my favorite. It's the dragon. I had to use a scroll saw to get the teeth to work. The rest of them I cut with a bandsaw for the blanks. Then my final one is my hitchhiker. It's a young lady. She's still got the plier joint, but she hitchhikes. She was kind of fun.